Hi there, and welcome to another Blueprint tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover setting up employees in our payroll system. To get started, make sure that you are logged in and on the Blueprint dashboard. From the main menu at the top, click on the Payroll button. This will take you to the Payroll dashboard. From here, you can click on Employees on your left. Click this button now. Now that you are at the Employees dashboard, click on Create New. On the Employee Details tab, you'll be required to enter the name, surname, and date of birth for your employee. Adding a valid ID or passport number will ensure that the employee is correctly exported to EasyFile later on. You can enter additional information like marital status, driver's license type, and next of kin, but this is not compulsory. Click on the Payroll Information tab to continue. Here you are required to enter an employee number, or you can click the Generate Employee Number button to have one automatically assigned. We have located helpful hints next to some of the important fields. Simply hover over the eye and a hint for the field will be shown to you. If your employee is excluded from SDL or UIF, select a reason from the drop-down list. For example, this is a temporary worker. If your employee's salary is based on hours worked, tick the hourly worker box. Select how frequently the employee is paid from the payroll cycle drop-down. Enter the dates of employment to ensure correct EasyFile exports. If your employee is registered for income tax, enter their income tax number. If the employee belongs to a medical aid, enter the name and number of beneficiaries. This is very important as it affects the pay-as-you-earn calculation and medical tax credits. Click the Hours and Rates tab to continue. If this is an hourly employee, remember to complete their hourly pay rates. Enter the number of leave days your employee receives per year in the Annual Leave Days text box. Finally, select which days the employee normally works for you. Click the Contact Details tab to continue. If you want your employee to receive payslips via email, enter their email address. This will also activate their self-service account on Blueprint. Click on the Banking Details tab to continue. Select how this employee will be paid. If you enter banking details, this employee will be included on the payment list report and in the generated banking statement file. Click on the Documents tab to continue. Here you can add various documents such as driver's license or contracts to the employee profile. You can now click on the Create button to store this employee's information. You will now be able to edit, view information, or terminate the employee at any time from the employee's dashboard. Thank you for watching this Blueprint tutorial. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful hints. If you have any questions about this tutorial or need any other assistance, feel free to mail us at support@blueprint.co.za.